Ever thought about investing but didn't know where to start? In today's ever-changing financial landscape, investing is no longer a luxury, but a necessity. It's the key to securing your financial future, building wealth over time, and even reaching those big-ticket dreams. A common myth is that investing is only for the wealthy, or that it's akin to gambling, but let's debunk those myths right here, right now. Investing, when done right, is for everyone. It's not about getting rich quick, but about growing your money steadily over time. It's about making your money work for you, not the other way around. And the best part? It's not as complicated as it seems. You don't need a finance degree or a hefty bank account to get started. All you need is the right platform. Well, fear not, as today we introduce you to a platform that makes investing as easy as pie, Questrade. So, what exactly is Questrade? Questrade, a Canadian gem, stands tall among the world's investment platforms. It's a brokerage firm that offers a user-friendly platform for those who want to dip their toes into the stock market. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a curious beginner, Questrade has you covered. Known for its reliability and efficiency, Questrade has been serving investors for nearly 2 decades. It's a member of the Investment Industry Regulatory Organization of Canada and the Canadian Investor Protection Fund. This means that Questrade operates under stringent regulations, providing a secure environment for your investments. Key to US Trade offers a variety of account types, each designed to cater to different investment needs. From tax-free savings accounts to registered retirement savings plans, it has something for everyone. And the best part? US Trade's competitive pricing makes investing accessible to all, not just the financially savvy. With Questrade, you are in good hands. But why choose Questrade over other investing platforms, you might ask? Well, let's delve into what sets Questrade apart. First off, Questrade offers significantly lower fees compared to many traditional investment platforms. This means more of your money stays where it should be, working for you in your investments. Secondly, Questrade boasts an intuitive, user-friendly interface. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting your feet wet, navigating the platform is a breeze. It's designed to make your investment journey as smooth and straightforward as possible. But that's not all. Questrade also offers a wide range of investment options. From stocks and bonds to ETFs and options, Questrade has you covered. This diverse selection allows you to tailor your investment portfolio to your specific needs and financial goals. One more thing to note is that Questrade is a proud member of the Canadian Investor Protection Fund. This means that your investments are protected up to $1 million. It's a safety net that ensures you can invest with confidence, knowing that your hard-earned money is well guarded. In a nutshell, Questrade combines affordability, ease of use, and diversity in investment options, all while offering a layer of protection for your investments. It's the perfect blend that caters to both novice and experienced investors alike. So, Questrade not only simplifies investing, but also ensures your investment is protected. Getting started with Questrade is a breeze. It's a simple process that can be completed in no time, giving you more time to focus on what really matters, your investments. Let's walk through the process together. First, head over to Questrade's website and click on the Open an Account button. You'll be asked to provide some basic information like your name, email address, and phone number. Next, you'll choose the type of account you want to open. Questrade offers a variety of account types to fit your investing needs. You can open a tax-free savings account or TFSA, which lets you grow your investments tax-free. There's also the Registered Retirement Savings Plan, or RRSP, a great option if you're looking to save for retirement while reducing your taxable income. For the more adventurous, there's the Forex and Contracts for Difference, or CFDs, account. This allows you to trade on the price movements of financial instruments without owning the underlying asset. It's a higher risk option, but it can also lead to higher potential returns. Once you've chosen your account type, you'll need to provide some additional information, like your employment details and financial information. Questrade uses this information to ensure they're providing you with the right services and protections for your financial situation. Then, you'll set up your account funding. This is where you'll decide how much you want to deposit into your account to start investing. Remember, Questrade allows you to start investing with as little as $1, so don't feel pressured to deposit more than you're comfortable with. Finally, you'll review and confirm your details, and boom, you're done. Your account will be ready to go in just a few business days. And just like that, you are ready to start investing with Questrade. How about a little bonus to kickstart your investing journey? You've already learned about the benefits of Questrade, how it stands out from other platforms, and how to get started. Now let's sweeten the deal a bit more. There's a referral code waiting for you in the description below. This isn't just any ordinary code, it's your ticket to a $50 reward. That's right, $50. Just for signing up to Questrade using this code, think of it as a little welcome gift from us to you. Now you might be thinking, what's the catch? There's none really. It's as simple as clicking on the link in the description, signing up, and voila, $50 will be added to your account. It's like a little boost to your initial investment, a nudge to help you take that first step into the world of investing. And remember, this isn't just about the $50. It's about taking that first step towards financial freedom. It's about making your money work for you. It's about securing a brighter, more prosperous future for yourself. So, go ahead, use that referral code, sign up for Questrade, get your $50 reward. Start your investing journey today. Remember, the earlier you start investing, the brighter your financial future. So sign up for Questrade today and take the first step towards financial freedom.